Hello student, welcome to my channel. Myself Rajiv Maurya from the LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Student, today we are going to discuss some more questions that based on the application of linear equation in one variable. Now I can feel that you are become much eligible to make linear equation from the given statement and also eligible to solve them. So student, today I think the application of linear equation will be the last, but I will try to give you more and more questions. So let's start a question which based on fraction. Okay, so the given question is in a town, the question is in a town where the population where the population is 90,000 is 90,000. Okay, the male population is the male population the male population is two-third is two-third the female population, the female population. The female population. Then find the male and female population of the town. Then find the male and female population of the town. This is the given question. So student, let's see the question and let's understand what is the condition given in the question. So the question says that in a town where the population is 90,000, since we know that the population of a particular place is defined by the total number of male, female and children. Okay, the total number of these three being become together make the population of a particular town. So that here given that in a town where the population of a town is 90,000, the next the male population is two-thirds the female population, means out of 90,000 the two-third part of 90,000 are the male population and the left number of people are female population. So here we have to find out number of male population and the number of female population of that city. So here, in order to find out its solution, we have to form a linear equation using the condition given in this question. So first of all, here we shall consider some variable. So in the solution we write here, let us consider the female condition population. The female population is equal to X. Okay, here we shall consider the female population as X. Why? Because यहाँ पर जो कंडीशन होता है उसमें हम कंपैरिजन चेक करते हैं। तो इस क्वेश्चन में कंपैरिजन कहाँ पे हो रहा है? तो कंपैरिजन देखा जाए तो यहाँ पर लिखा है द मेल पॉपुलेशन इज 2/3 द फीमेल पॉपुलेशन। मतलब कि यहाँ पर जो मेल पॉपुलेशन है वो फीमेल पॉपुलेशन का 2/3 है, यानी कि फीमेल पॉपुलेशन का कंपैरिजन हो रहा है मेल पॉपुलेशन से। तो जिसका कंपैरिजन होता है उसको हम कंसीडर कर लेते हैं और जिससे होता है उस पर कंडीशन को अप्लाई कर लेते हैं। तो यहाँ पर कंपैरिजन फीमेल पॉपुलेशन का हो रहा है मेल पॉपुलेशन से, तो हमने फीमेल पॉपुलेशन को x कंसीडर कर लिया। देन अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रॉब्लम, male population will be, as the given in the question, the male population is 2/3 of the female population, so this will be 2/3 of x. Okay, so 2/3 x is the male population and x be the female population. And as I told you earlier that the total number of male, female and children makes together the population of a particular place. Since there is no discussion about the children is mentioned here, so here we need not to write down the number of children. Here we just see about the number of people in which male and female are given. So in order to find out the total population of that city, we have to add 2/3 and x, which will be equal to the total population, that is the 90,000. Therefore, the population of the town, therefore the population of the town this will be x plus 2/3 x, which is equal to 90,000. ओके, जब हम इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, ये मेल फीमेल पॉपुलेशन है, ये मेल पॉपुलेशन है, और इन दोनों का ही सम जो होगा उस टाउन का टोटल पॉपुलेशन होगा। यही जो होगा उनका क्या होगा, टोटल पॉपुलेशन होगा। जैसा कि अभी हमने ये चीज आपको समझाया कि किसी भी प्लेस का जो टोटल पॉपुलेशन होता है वो वहां के फीमेल और मेल जो लोग होते हैं उन्हीं की टोटल नंबर होता है। तो इसलिए हम इन दोनों को जब ऐड करेंगे तो ये हमको क्या देगा, उस नगर की टोटल जनसंख्या के बारे में हमको बताएगा। नाउ वी शैल सॉल्व दिस, सो हियर वी गेट 3x plus 2x upon 3, which will be equal to 90,000. Okay, so in this way we can write down. Let me write this in the other side because here we need not the question. So this line may be rewritten here, 3x plus 2x upon 3, which will be equal to 90,000. Okay, here we can see that x plus 2 by 3x are two fractions that is to be added. So when we add, we get 3x plus 2x upon 3, which will be equal to 90,000. Now 3x plus 2x become 5x upon 3, which is equal to 90,000. Okay. Now here 5 1s are 5 and 18 5s are 90. So here we get 18,000. So this will imply x upon 3 is equal to 18,000. Okay. In the next step, this implies x is equal to 18,000 multiplied by 3, which will be equal to 54,000. So here, as we have considered in the first line that the female population is x, and in this step we have get the value of x as 54,000. So this will represent the number of female in the city. This is the female population of the town. In the next, we have to find out the male population. Since here we consider the male population is 2 by 3 of x, that is the 2/3 of the female population. So here again we have to find out the value of 2/3 of x. So and 2 by 3 x will equal to 2 by 3, and the value of x we have found here 54,000. So we write 54,000. Okay, and after solve 3 1s are 3 and 18 3s are 54, which will be equal to 2 multiplied by 18,000. Okay, so 18 2s are 36, and here we get the male candidate or male population of the city is 36,000. Therefore, the female population of the town is 54,000 and the male population of the town is 36,000. So these are the two results that are to be found out in this question. So student, I hope the question is clear to everyone. Now let's see some question that based on mensuration. The next question is based on the perimeter of rectangle. A rectangle has a perimeter of 96 centimeter. The perimeter of the rectangle is given as 96 centimeter. Okay, this is the perimeter of the rectangle is given. The next condition in the question is that its length is twice of its breadth. Then find its length and breadth. Okay. Here the condition in the question is that the length of the rectangle. The length of the rectangle. For this, let me draw a rectangle. This is the rectangle A, B, C, D. And in this rectangle, the condition is given that the length of this rectangle is twice of its breadth. So if we consider the breadth of this rectangle is x, then its length will be 2x. ओके, जैसा कि क्वेश्चन में ये चीज कहा है कि जो ये रेक्टेंगल है इसका जो लेंथ है इसके ब्रेड्थ से ट्वाइस है, मतलब कि डबल है। तो अगर इसके ब्रेड्थ को हम x कंसीडर करते हैं तो इसका जो लेंथ होगा वो कितना हो जाएगा, 2x हो जाएगा। सो इन द सॉल्यूशन वी राइट let us consider breadth is equal to x, which implies length is equal to 2x. Okay, since we know that since perimeter of the rectangle is defined as 2 times of length plus breadth. This is the formula that we use to find out the perimeter of rectangle. So, since the perimeter of the rectangle is given as 96 centimeter, therefore 2 times of the length. What is the length of this perimeter? Sorry, the rectangle. Here we have considered as 2x. So we write here 2x plus, and the breadth we have considered as x. So we write here x, which will be equal to 96 as given in the question. Okay. In the next step, we can simplify. So 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8, and 2 8 are 16. So here we get 2x plus x, which is equal to 3x, and 3x is equal to 48. Again simplify. 3 1 are 3, 3 1 are 3, and 3 6 are 18. Therefore we get the result as x is equal to 16. Since here x is considered as the breadth of the rectangle, therefore the breadth of rectangle is 16 centimeter, and the length of the rectangle is considered as 2x, that is 2x will be equal to 2 multiplied by 16, which is equal to 32 centimeters. Therefore, the length of the rectangle is 32 centimeter and the breadth is 16 centimeter. Okay, so student, I would like to suggest you to solve more and more questions from the section of the mensuration, because this question is very important for your examination, as well as the idea, the concept that we use here in order to solve such problem are very interesting. So if you get the idea, then you can solve every question. So I hope you are all get the solution of the question that I have discussed. So we shall meet in the next video with new question. Till then, goodbye.